Welcome back to the barn, bonsai lovers. Today we're tackling one of the most important tasks in bonsai care, repotting. This isn't just about giving your tree a new home, it's about ensuring its health and longevity. Stick around as I share the best times to repot popular bonsai species and the ideal soil mixes for healthy growth. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on bonsai care tips and tutorials. Over time, bonsai roots become root-bound, limiting water and nutrient absorption. Repotting provides fresh soil, room for roots to grow, and ensures your tree stays healthy. For mature bonsai, timing is crucial. Unlike younger trees, which need repotting every 1 to 2 years, mature trees usually need it every 3 to 5 years. The timing also depends on the species. Japanese maple, Acer palmatum, early spring just before buds open. Pine bonsai, Pinus species, late spring to early summer, after candles elongate but before the heat of summer. Juniper bonsai, late winter to early spring, only if healthy and actively growing. Ficus bonsai, repot any time during the growing season if kept warm, but spring is best for minimal stress. Soil choice is key to bonsai health. Here are the basics. Deciduous trees, e.g. Japanese maples. A 2-to-1-to-1 mix of akadama, pumice, and lava rock for good drainage and water retention. Pines and junipers. A 1-to-1-to-1 mix of akadama, pumice, and lava rock for excellent drainage. Reduce akadama slightly for drier conditions. Tropical trees, e.g. ficus. A 1-to-1 mix of organic bonsai soil and inorganic materials like pumice for balanced aeration and water retention. Always use bonsai-specific soil for proper drainage. Regular garden soil won't work. Step-by-step repotting process 1. Carefully remove the bonsai from its pot and gently loosen the roots with a root rake or chopstick. 2. Trim long or tangled roots to promote growth, but avoid over-pruning on older trees. 3. Add a layer of fresh soil to the pot base, covering drainage holes with mesh. 4th. Position the tree slightly off-center for a natural look, then fill the pot with soil, working it into the roots to remove air pockets. 5. Water thoroughly to hydrate the roots and settle the soil. After repotting, place your bonsai in a shaded area for 2 weeks to recover. Avoid fertilizing during this period, since fresh soil already contains nutrients. Maintain consistent watering and watch for signs of stress like yellowing leaves or wilting. And there you have it. Your bonsai is ready to thrive in its refreshed environment. If this video was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more bonsai care tips. What species are you planning to repot this season? Share your thoughts and tips in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.